everyone. Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so we get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you every day. So let's get started, shall we? Today's topic is of the Roku Streambar. It is a 4K HD HDR. It has a streaming media player and premium audio. It's all-in-one and it includes Roku OS remote release, and it is released in 2020, so it is pretty new. It was just released last year. The price of it is $109. The shipping is free, and right now it's on sale, so you will save for about $20. Right now the size of it is only like a stream bar, but you can change the size of it as a stream bar, surround set, stream bar surround set with a subwoofer and all of that. The connections of it is a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, HDMI. You can connect any of them to. The brand is Roku. The item is 16.25 times 7.5 times 4 times 4.25 inches, as in length, width, and height. The controller is a remote control and a voice. The type is on control. Now, talking about this item, you can share videos, photos, and music from your Apple device using an AirPlay. It's built-in 4K streaming device, so you can enjoy an easy, fast interface with the newest and the most popular channels, and you can access to an endless free entertainment stream in a brilliant HD 4K HDR picture with sharp resolution, vivid colors, and it's also optimized for any TV. Surprisingly big sound. So you listen in awe as your 4 internal speakers fill your room with clean, pure sound, featuring Dolby audio, calibrated for full, rich sound. You love how great your TV sounds at an incredible value. It is smarter than average soundbar, so the Roku Streambar produces sound well beyond its size with the help of advanced audio engineering within the Roku OS boosted volume. And speech clarity will make your TV easier to hear and add rich depth to your music. The simple sound setting, it is easy to perfect your sound no matter what you're watching. Automatically lower loud commercials, boost the volume of the voices, and optimize the sound for night listening so you don't wake at the house. Quick and easy setup. Everything you need is included in the box. You can just plug it in your TV and connect it to the internet, and that's all you need to do for this. There is no more juggling remotes. Power up your TV, adjust volume, control your streaming, all with just a Roku voice remote. Use your voice to quickly search entertainment, turn captions on, and more, and you don't have to manage controls and everything and get them lost and try to find them. It's just there. Bluetooth streaming. Bump your music in vibrant studio quality, sound from your favorite music channels or your connected Bluetooth device. And it has endless entertainment. You can stream what you love, including free TV, live news, sport, and 500,000 movies and TV episodes across thousands of free and paid channels. Built-in 4K streaming, so you can enjoy an easy, fast interface with the newest and the most popular channels. You can access to an endless free entertainment, streaming a brilliant HD 4K and HDR picture with sharp resolution and vivid color, optimized for basically any TV. It has surprisingly a big sound, so you can enjoy a cinematic experience for your entertainment because it features a Dolby audio. You can listen in awe as your 4 internal speakers fill your room with sound. Boosted volume and speech clarity will make your TV easier to hear and add incredible depth to your music. So it will add many things so that you will hear things perfectly clearly. Even though it looks very small, it sounds perfect. Simple sound setting. So it's easy to perfect your sound no matter what you're watching. Automatically lower loud commercial, boost the volume of voices, and optimize the sound for night listening so you don't wake the house up. And since it is like a really easy setting, any person, even if you're not like an advanced technology person or a medium technology person, you can do it easily. So it's smarter than your average soundbar. So the Roku Streambar produces sound well beyond its size with the help of an advanced audio engineering within the Roku OS. Its boosted volume and speech clarity will make your TV easier to hear and add depth to your music to understand. It is easily expandable, so you can enjoy your heart-pounding bass for entertainment. You can fill it with the Roku wireless subwoofer and immersive surround sound with the Roku wireless speakers. They are sold separately, but you can buy them at any time and then expand it. So let's go for it once. First of all, it has quick and easy setup. So everything you need is included in the box. Just plug in your TV's HDMI ARC port and connect the internet. It's simple. Everything is in the box, so you even don't have to buy a screw. Bluetooth streaming. Bump your music in vibrant, studio quality sound from your favorite channels or your connected Bluetooth device, basically playing anywhere. No more juggling remotes, so you can power up your TV, adjust the volume, control your streaming all with one remote, use your voice, search, turn on and captions on and more, and you can just talk and ask the TV to do what it should do. Easily expandable, so you can add heart-pounding bass with the Roku wireless subwoofer and immersive surround sound with Roku TV wireless speakers. Anytime you feel like the sound is not enough or loud enough, just buy another one and you'll be good. Now, it has the popular streaming channels, has 115 plus free live TV channels. The picture quality is HD 4K HDR. It connects to TV via a premium HDMI cable optical. It's built-in speakers. It has wireless connectivity. It has long-range wireless. The voice remote with controls is on. It doesn't have a lost remote finder. It works with Work Assistant. It has Apple AirPlay compatible. It has Bluetooth streaming, and the supported audio is the Dolby audio. Does it come with Roku built-in? Yes, Roku Streambar is so much more than just a soundbar. This compact device is loaded with a built-in 4K streaming player, so you can watch what you love in a brilliant picture quality and hear it all in a cinematic sound. And then, how many watts is in the Roku Streambar? The Roku Streambar contains 4 full-range drivers producing 8 watts of RMS each for a total output of 32 watts RMS or 64 watts of RMS peak. And then it asks, can I play music from an iPhone for a Roku Streambar? Yes, you can stream music from your iPhone via Bluetooth or Apple AirPlay 2, and you can play it anywhere you want. Can I use the Roku Streambar if my TV doesn't have an HDMI ARC port? Yes, you can still connect it to your device, to your TV using the HDMI optical input ports if it has that. And it says, do I need an audio receiver to use this? No, the Roku Streambar is able to upgrade your TV's audio with 4 built-in full-range drivers. However, if you like to experience the surround sound, the Roku Streambar can be paired with Roku wireless speaker for a surround sound, but you don't have to. It's just an option. So let's give a full little summary of it. The Roku Streambar is an ultimate 2-in-1 entertainment upgrade with powerful streaming and premium for any TV. You can hear every detail as you stream the newest and the most popular channels in vibrant 4K HDR picture quality. It has crisp, clean sound that makes dialogue easier to hear. With its compact design, you'll be amazed at how something so small can fill in the room with the sound. You can even quiet loud commercials automatically, plus stream your favorite music and more with Bluetooth. Setup is simple with everything you need in the box, including the Roku voice remote that controls your TV and streaming. And the Roku Streambar also works with popular voice assistants. Ask your Alexa, Google Assistant, enable device to launch channels, search for entertainment, and control your streaming and more. Plus, it's easy to expand for even bigger sound and deep rich bass with Roku wireless subwoofer and immersive surround sound with Roku wireless speakers, which are sold separately. There is no need to run the cables across your living room. Just plug in these speakers and a subwoofer and wirelessly pair them for even a better sound. We talked about the dimensions. The item weight is 4.77 pounds. That's okay as a size because you don't want to move it always, just want to put it somewhere, right? And then the batteries, 2AA batteries as required, but it is included in the package. And it was first available in October 15, 2020, so it's pretty new. It haven't been like a year that it has came out, so you will be using like a pretty brand new thing. Before we go, please make sure to check out this Amazon link. You never know, you might end up buying your own. Plus, it's always good to have more information about this kind of stuff, so we will leave a link down below for you guys in the description box. Their sources reviews was their main site and Amazon. We give them credit for their amazing work. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the like button and we will see you next time. Bye!